So we just paid the Sky the toll fee, and welcome to another trip here in Manila. So we just exited the Skyway, but now we're on our way to NAIA Terminal 2. So may gali na mix up. There was a mix up, so we're gonna go up here at NAIA X. So good thing na remind mo mong driver that we are riding the Air Asia flight. We're not. So Air Asia is Terminal 2, and we stay there.
Hello. Hello. Ay, ano? Nandiyan na, binigyan ko sa'yo yung details na. Check mo ulit. Nakakalimutan ko.
So NAIA X, and
Binigay ko na. Pero yung binigay
those
ko
are
sa'yo,
the Newport City,
i-text
some of
mo
the
na lang din.
properties there.
Paano ka lang.
Later we'll see our hotel. So we're pass through here.
Mamaya, ipilitan ko.
It says pass through here, pay at the exit. So these are useless toll gates. It's useless because we're paying at the exit ng system dire. So I think this was the view in the morning this morning we took a video from my room, from my window, and this was the view. So there's an exit here also pa rin to Terminal 3. Pero so that's Mega World, di ba? And wala, ang airport tira. So ano yung view ganina, di ba? Wala to akong view ganina. That's Savoy. That's my room there. We're there. So wala, di kami nagstay last night. Naraabong room. Di ba? And we're here at NAIA X, and wala, on our way to NAIA Terminal 2 where Air Asia flights are, where we will board there on that terminal. So wala, Villamor area, Villamor area. Then the houses because wala, this is like a skyway still. Diba? Nakasbabaw. So this is a 3-lane skyway. This is a good size, diba? Ama ra, walay traffic, way pas-pas ra. And over that side more developments, more buildings. It's almost sunset because it's past 5 p.m. Itong buwan lang lahi ang roads here in Manila, so you might be surprised. Don't drive now is featuring Manila because we had an overnight in Manila, and it's nice to see mga roads in Manila, something different from my typical drive, diba? Diha ang train, mga depot ng train, may LRT. Pasay ita. So Pasay is a major transport hub sa ginang Pasay. They call it the travel city, but yeah, most of the trains they always go to Pasay. Then also not only trains but buses also. If you want to go north, they have a lot of terminals here in Pasay. So travel city, it is a connector, not only connector because of the airport but also to the provinces. Di ba, kung sakay kang pa sa una, alas Pasay. Di ba, so naglay-by. So ano mga bahay sa Pasay, mga old Pasay, mga bahay sa Pasay. So this can even go to the Cavite, Makabagal Road, Makabagal Boulevard, but we're so papuntang Cavite pala dito, so di ba, so it's a good access also this road. So we're now going to this exit. So be careful always to exit here. Kung if you wanna go to Terminal 1 and to Sukat, wanna go to Cavite, Macapagal or Boulevard and the Entertainment City, you have to join the crowd. So this is one lane over here. It's a single lane but it's not too congested though. Mas laban lang. So yung traffic sa dito kasi sa Friday. See, nag skyways in Manila. Like, you don't see this in Cebu. You might see some flyovers, but this is short flyovers. Yeah, skyways are like bridges on land. So 2 lanes ni siya na dire. If you want to go to T2, you have to keep left. So T2 man ta. If you want to go to T1, go right. Diba? So imagine kung nag T3 may doon kami sa T3. Hindi malapit. Oo, di ba? Oo, di ba? Ang layo. Doon. So dito na yung exit. So bayad na naman ulit. Yun nga lang, if you want a faster trip here in Manila, if you're gonna go to the skyways, you have to have money. Diba? Kasi pera. Bayad nila. Valid tag. Sabihin naman eh. Cash. Magkano yung bayad?
45 pesos.
45 pesos. So yun lang, if you always go to the skyways, you have to have money. Diba? Or else, pwede ka rin magpa-traffic rin. Parang worth it pa rin kasi yung oras at yung gasolina. Diba? Hindi ka mag-skyway. So we're now entering Terminal 2 area. Dati yan na wala na, i-develop na yan dati, di ba? Way back there was Grand Air. Tayong Pilipino, di ba? Pero yes, ano na yung Dagway. So, going to Terminal 2 departure. Okay, so we go up. So later we'll have a tour also sa Terminal 2 because base 1 to 15 Msebgo, AirAsia, Sunlight, and the other terminal, the other side is PAL. The other side is exclusive PAL, and the other side is for our dito na mga Bay Msebgo, dito na AirAsia, diba? Dito na kami sa pula. Alright, we have arrived and thank you so much. Okay, money mo driver. Yes.
Ice tea?
AirAsia man ta. Bye.
Ano ba?